Here's an oldie but a goodie, guys, and really highlights why velocity is king. It doesn't matter whether it's NA or boosted, because technically all NA engines are boosted by 14.7 pounds of atmospheric pressure. A boost in itself is only changing the pressure differential on the engine. So if we add 10 pound, that's 10 pound plus our 14.7, giving us 24.7 pound of pressure differential. So velocity is and always has been driven by the piston speed and our mechanical restrictions from the valve to the throttle body.